Good morning, Year 8. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week so far of home learning. Um, if you've got any problems, I want to remind you guys that you do need to contact me. Just send me a message on Show My Homework if you are struggling with any of these tasks. But from what I can see, everyone's doing so well with them. I actually said to Mr. Capes on the phone that I think you guys might be the best class in the school. Looking at the tracker, we are all working so hard. There's literally only one or two people that I think maybe could be working a bit harder. All of you are just doing brilliantly. I'm genuinely so proud of you. I was reminding him to make sure I'd get to try and keep you guys as my class for next year, and he says that is looking very possible. So fingers crossed. Okay, guys. So we can now go through the bottom three fluency questions. If you want to just quickly pause the video and make sure you've green penned the top three, we'll go through the bottom three now. Okay, so increasing 200 grams by 25% using a calculator method. You need to remember that when we're increasing something, we've got 100% of it, and then we add 25% more. That means we end up with 125% of the amount. When we're finding a percentage of amount, we use a decimal multiplier. We just divide it by 100. That gives us 1.25. So we do the original amount, 200 times 1.25. I'll stick that in my calculator, 200 times 1.25. I get an answer of 250 grams. Okay, Fluency 1B. This one you need to think really carefully about. It says estimate your answer. Okay, when we estimate, that means we round the numbers in the question to one significant figure. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 21. Okay, well, that rounded to one significant figure would be 20. Now, we'd be doing 20 times pi, which would give us 20 pi. But if we want to fully estimate our answer to this, what we could do is we could say, well, pi is approximately 3.14, which estimated, we could cut that to one significant figure and say that it's actually approximately 3. Notice how I'm using that little approximation sign there. So really, a fully approximated answer would be 20 times 3. Tell me that the circumference is 60 centimeters as an estimate. Finally, Fluency 1C, 2 points have these coordinates. What is the midpoint? Remember, when we do the midpoints, we do x1 plus x2 all over 2, and then y1 plus y2 all over 2. That's how we learnt it. So I add both my x coordinates together, so I do minus 2 plus 8 all over 2, and then my y coordinates together, so 6 plus 4 all over 2, minus 2 plus 8. If I'm at minus 2 and I add 8, I end up at 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 6 plus 4 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. My midpoint is 3, 5. Okay, Year 8, have a great day today with maths. We're learning about area of a circle. And it's a really important topic that we do great notes. So without further ado, I'll let you get on with that now. Any questions, guys? As I said, drop me a comment and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.